So today I'm going to show you guys how to do a half gallon of kombucha. Things you'll need is a half gallon jar, 1 cup of kombucha starter, a half cup of granulated sugar, like 6 cups of cool filtered water, 4 tea bags, black tea, green tea, work great, a rubber band and a coffee filter, about maybe 1.5 cups of hot water just to dissolve the sugar, wooden spoon, no plastic, and a Scoby given to you by a friend like me. So first thing we're going to do is put your sugar, your 1/2 cup of sugar in your half gallon jar, and put in the hot water. And then you're going to stir it until it dissolves. You want to make sure you're using filtered water, or at least boiling your water for 10 minutes. Just give it a stir. And then you're going to throw your tea bags in there, 4, like I said, for a half gallon. And then you're just going to let it sit, steep for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and finish it up. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. I've been intermittently stirring the tea bags and sugar just to make sure it's dissolved. Okay, so then what you're going to do is take out the tea bags. I like to squeeze the excess water out. And then you're going to put about 6 cups of cold water in, or up to the 6-cup mark on the jar. It's really important that the sweet tea, make sure you just made, is cooled off before you put in your starter or your Scoby. Just give it one last stir. And then you're going to add your 1 cup of kombucha starter. And then you're going to add your Scoby. Just float it right on top. If it sinks, that's okay. It'll still brew the same. Always make sure you handle all this with clean hands, clean instruments. I like to disinfect everything with plain white vinegar. And then you're going to put your coffee filter on top and secure it with a rubber band. You're going to let that sit anywhere from 3 days up to 2 weeks depending on the temperature in your house. Mine finishes in like 2 to 3 days, really fast. Yeah, so that's the recipe for a half gallon of kombucha. This is the first fermentation. You can drink it when it's done, or you can go on to a second fermentation where you will be flavoring it with fruit or fruit juice or anything else that you like. Alright, hope this video was helpful. Bye!